Hello folks, this is an update on my video camcorder camera with the wide angle lens. I'll be back in a minute and show you how it looks. Okay, let's see how this works. With the wide lens, I'm further away and I'm vertical or at the same height as my head. I misunderstood them. They said you had to have it looking down. But from what I can see, it looks pretty good. Get it a little bit further away. It could rain today. You never know. It's Lawrence County. If you don't like what you got, wait 30 minutes, it'll change. There, that's a little brighter. If you like my channel, click that like button and subscribe. Leave me a comment. I got some real nice comments yesterday on my new camera. So share with me or share with your family. So for now, folks, goodbye and may God bless. Alright, so yesterday I tried out my camera. Today I put the wide lens on. See if that does any better. This is my honeysuckle. It's in full bloom. Just looks gorgeous. The raised bed, it kind of went its course. We got a clematis. We got a clematis coming up. Got a few blooms up at the top. You can see that. I'll zoom in, see how that works. Okay. Tried to show you the irises there yesterday. My big head was in the way. It turned out really good. Sister and I planted these, and she gave me some from her collection. I don't know which ones, but they're really pretty. I think this is the second year, maybe third year. Planted them, okay, 2 years after we planted them the first year. So, looks great. My smoke tree. My trumpet vine, it's starting to green out. That'll have the most beautiful trumpets, flowers on there. Coming along.